Alright, this video is for the assignment by MRTS 1330. It's a video that we talk about what is our favorite part of a funeral. And I would have to say that my favorite part of a funeral would have to be the parting ceremony, as it is a time of closure for the family and friends of the deceased. It is a time that the family and friends can have parting words with the deceased and leave items that they wish the deceased to be buried with. It's an important part, I believe, that the family can have that concrete moment of seeing their loved ones and that they know they're gone. And I believe that's such an important part of the closure process for the family. And I also think it's an important part because it's the last time that the family and the friends can view the deceased. And, you know, that moment is such an accumulation of how people respond. It really shines a light of how that person affected people's lives. And speaking from personal experience, it truly is not only interesting, but a beautiful, beautiful moment of the funeral. And I hope going forward, as seeing more funerals and helping direct those funerals, that it will be an enlightening process in seeing how different families and friends choose to deal with that moment. And I'm excited, to say the least, to see what the future holds. I hope that meets all the criteria, and that concludes this assignment.